Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to see liked comments on TikTok. Let's get straight to the point. First, it's important to understand that TikTok doesn't provide a direct way to view comments you've liked. Unlike other social media platforms, you'll need to use some workarounds. Let's start with a practical solution, using your watch history. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three dots or lines in the upper right corner to enter Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Activity Center. In the Activity Center, choose Watch History. Here, you'll see a list of videos you viewed. To find a liked comment, recall specific details about the video or comment. Look for the video in your watch history and review the comments to find the one you liked. Next, here are other practical ways to keep track of your liked comments. Take screenshots, capture the comment, video, and username for future reference. Note down details. Use a digital note-taking app or a physical notebook to jot down details like the commenter's username and a brief comment description. Bookmark videos. Bookmark videos where you've liked comments to create a personal library of content that contains interactions of interest. You can also view the comments you've made on TikTok. Here's how. Similarly to the watch history, you need to go to the Activity Center. Look for Comment History to see a list of all comments you've made on TikTok videos. Finally, if you want to see who liked your comments, follow these steps. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of your TikTok screen. Select Activities. Look for likes and favorites. Scroll through your notifications to find who liked your comment. While TikTok doesn't offer a direct feature to see liked comments, you can still find ways to see them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more TikTok tips. See you in the next video.